Hey guys, so this is how I do our boxes. So first, kailangan mo ng gunting, ng double-sided tape ruler, and yung papel na gagamitin mo. So yung size ng paper ko is 7 inches by 5.5 inches. And ayan, nilalagyan ko lang siya ng outline para kapag tinupi ko, madali ko siyang matutupi and pantay. Yung 4 na sides. And then pag natupi mo na yung 4 na sides, yung dalawang gilid na mas maikli, tutupiin mo pa siya and itatapat mo dun sa dulo ng kabila. Hanggang sa maging ganyan na yung itsura niya, then ikakat mo yung sides para mapag-connect mo yung box. Then yung 4 na ginupitan mo, lalagyan mo yon ng double-sided tape pang seal dun sa mismong box natin. Siyempre, para ma-seal yung box, dapat kahit paano pantay yung double-sided tape dun sa square na space sa gilid na pagdidikitan. Then ayan, i-assemble mo na. Then ayan na siya. Tapos meron akong 3 sizes. Actually, ito yung pinakamaliit and kasya dito isang lip tint lang.
This is a big order, so let me show you how I'll package these 6 letters up to get to their new home. On the back of every letter, I'll have my info, my signature, and some care instructions. Then I use this packing paper to wrap each letter individually. I do this because I don't want the letters banging against each other in transit. Then in between each letter, I do a layer of bubble wrap to protect it from dings or scratches. Then since this is a big order, she's getting a tote bag, an info card, a handwritten letter with some mini stickers, and a free pen. I hope she loves it.
Let's normalize reusing packages, because honestly, this box is so cute. Let me show you how I packed it.
I want to spend some time with you, just the two of us. We can make it if we try, just the two of us.
Thank you for not scrolling. I'm glad I caught your eye. Welcome to my small business. Please comment and say hi. If you like to shop small, well, you're in the right place. Thank you all for your support. Your likes put a smile on my face.
Your dreams, baby, get you and me. It's time to boss up. Fix your credit, girl, get at it. Get your bag up. Hit that gym and get back fine. Go get that degree, go girl, focus on me. Unlock potential that you didn't know you had in you. Fuck that nigga, ay. Oh yeah, it's time to mix it up and get your glow, girl. I know that you gon' get it, you got so much. Don't let nobody tell you that it's over. I want you to know that, girl, you got it, you got it. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. You got it, you got it. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you my little baby. I'm gon' make it known. Let that nigga hate, girl. What is he gon' do?
솔직하게 난 말하고 싶어요. 사라져 아니 사라지지 마. 내 맘을 보여줘 아니 보여주지 마. 하루 종일 머릿속에.
Alright, business owners, show us where your packaging stuff is from. Let's help people out. Some people are starting off the way we were starting off at one point, so let's show them in the right direction. Show them where you get your packaging stuff from and show some love.
Do you remember the 21st night of September? Love was changing the minds of pretenders while chasing the clouds away. Yeah. I say, do you remember? I dancing in September. I never was a cloudy day.
Hai, sebenarnya ada 2 jenis paper bag yang aku pakai. Yang pertama ini biasanya aku pakai untuk pengiriman dalam kota, makanya ada handle-nya. Satu pak harganya 90.000, isinya 100. Logonya aku cap sendiri sih. Nah, kalau yang ini aku pakai untuk pengiriman luar kota. Sebenarnya warnanya tuh ada macam-macam, ada yang motif juga, cuman aku suka yang warna hitam aja. Kalau yang ini harga sepaknya itu 30.000, isi 100. Kalau kalian butuh juga, link produknya ada di bio aku ya. Jadi kemarin ada yang nanya, ini aku pakai bahasa